Hi guys. Are you ready for the storm? Storm. That's the snowstorm. And whenever the lights come off, my dad has like a charger to like charge stuff. And whenever the lights come off, there's like some bracelets up there. You could probably play some games and watch TV in our phones and tablets. Like Karen's watching in her.
Karen, say hi.
Hi. I'm watching my tablet.
And we got a haircut.
Okay. You got a haircut?
And my hair's like, I like to touch it. And Karen's got a haircut like you see it? It was not like that.
Okay.
And I already have my boots for the snow. And I don't know why I want to do this today. Stay up the whole day here.
Are you afraid of the thunder?
Sometimes.
Okay.
It's just I hate thunder. It's like bye.